How many times today have you mentioned something you like, such as a movie, restaurant, or vacation spot? Today, we're going to learn how to express our likes and dislikes in Spanish. Hola, soy Adriana, embajadora de marca con Spanish 55. This channel exists to help you become fluent in Spanish. If you'd like to keep learning how to express yourself in Spanish, I invite you to hit subscribe, the button below, suscríbete. Imagine you're starving, so you go to a restaurant in Bolivia and they serve you llama brain. Yes, indigenous Bolivians waste none of their hunt. Even the brain is used for human consumption. In this situation, it would be very helpful to know how to say, lo siento, no me gusta el cerebro de llama. But don't you worry, because after this video, you will never be in this situation. First, let's learn how to think about the verb gustar. Most of us learning Spanish think of it as the English equivalent of to like. The truth is, thinking of it this way is going to trip you up when it comes to sentence structure. So technically, gustar does not mean to like. It means to please. Here are a few example phrases to help you think of it this way. A Adriana le gusta el arte. To Adriana, art is pleasing. El arte le gusta. Art pleases him or her. Le gusta el arte. Art pleases him or her. In other words, he or she likes art. El arte me gusta. Art pleases me or I like art. Me gusta el arte. Art pleases me or I like art. If you're ever confused about word order, just remember that to like is a figurative English translation, but that gustar actually means to please. Now that we understand the verb gustar a little better, let's learn how to conjugate it in the simple present tense. A mí me gusta or a mí me gustan. A ti te gusta or a ti te gustan. A usted le gusta or a usted le gustan. A él le gusta or a él le gustan. A ella le gusta or a ella le gustan. A nosotros nos gusta or a nosotros nos gustan. A ustedes le gusta or a ustedes le gustan. A ellos les gusta or a ellos les gustan. A ellas les gusta or a ellas les gustan. A mí, a ti, and a nosotros are all optional as the pronoun is implied. If you just say me gusta, te gusta, y nos gusta, it still makes perfect sense. Whether you use gusta or gustan depends on what it is exactly that you like or don't like. When talking about a singular noun or verb, use gusta. For plural nouns, use gustan. Give it a try. How do you think you should say, I like to play soccer? A mí me gusta jugar fútbol. Or, me gusta jugar fútbol. Right, we used gusta because we are talking about a singular noun. So how do you say, do you like sports? Hint, we are now using a plural noun. ¿A ti te gustan los deportes? Or, ¿te gustan los deportes? You got it. We are now using gustan because of the plural noun. As you can see from the examples I've already given you, when using the verb gustar, we don't use personal pronouns. This is what I mean. When I want to say I like to travel, I would say me gusta viajar, not yo gusta viajar. Now, let me give you some phrases in English. Try to translate them to Spanish before I do. You like to dance. You would say, te gusta bailar, not tú gusta bailar. We like to learn Spanish. You would say, nos gusta aprender español, not nosotros gusta aprender español. They like the beach. Les gusta la playa, not ellos gusta la playa. How did you do? Don't be afraid to replay this section until it makes sense to you. Sometimes you just have to take a deep breath and think about it for a minute. As with everything in language and life, it comes with practice. Now let's take a look at some more positive statements using the verb gustar, and then we can move on to expressing some dislikes. Again, try to say the phrase in Spanish before I do. You like to dance salsa. A usted le gusta bailar salsa. He likes the Spanish classes. A él le gustan las clases de español. She likes coffee. A ella le gusta el café. You all like martial arts. A ustedes les gustan las artes marciales. That last one was kind of hard, huh? Good for you to have made it this far. It's all downhill from here. Let's get ready to talk about your disgustos, your dislikes. You already know how to work with the verb gustar in Spanish. All you need to do now is add a simple no to the beginning of the phrase to say, no me gusta, I dislike. No me gusta el picante, I don't like spice. Now let's keep on practicing like we did before. I don't like driving. No me gusta manejar. You don't like this song. A ti no te gusta esta canción. I don't like watching the news. No me gusta ver las noticias. We don't like to clean the house. A nosotros no nos gusta limpiar la casa. I don't like apples. A mí no me gustan las manzanas. I think they're the only fruit that I don't like. What fruit do you dislike? Let me know in the comments below in Spanish. Hey, now you're ready to answer some questions. Answer by saying no, no me gusta, or sí, sí me gusta. Here we go. ¿Te gusta el queso? Do you like cheese? ¿Te gusta la Coca-Cola? Do you like Coke? ¿Te gustan las adivinanzas? Do you like riddles? There you go. You're now a master of the verb gustar. Feels great, right? If your answer is no, repeat this video. You'll get it, I know it. As always, I recommend you further your practice with one of our likable Spanish tutors. You can meet one of them for a free session at Spanish55.com. That is all for today, folks. Hasta la próxima, amigos. I will see you in the next video.